Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to be talking about a South African brand called the Moisture Factory. They did send me their hair mask, and I know I haven't done any videos with you guys seeing me use the products on camera, but I've been using them off camera, and this video again is just going to be me sharing my thoughts. This is the Moisture Factory Heal My Hair Banana and Avocado Mask. It's also their anti-breakage formula. So I'm just going to tell you guys about my experience of using this mask from the Moisture Factory. So they did send me this mask, and they also sent me, heat conditioning caps and a dryer as well, which was absolutely awesome. Thank you so much. Now, this is a new mask of theirs, and I was so excited to try it. I've been using it off camera to really give it, a really good go. Now, when you open it up, guys, it smells really, really nice. The banana smell, it's very, very slight, but I get a more of a pomegranate kind of apricot smell. I'm not too sure. In the comments down below, I'll put if it's Curly Girl approved or not, but it smells really, really nice. On the directions, it says that you must leave it on for 10 minutes. So I left it on for 10 minutes. I did put a shower cap on, rinsed it off, it did a good job. Then I thought, you know what, let me leave this on for a little bit longer and let me add some heat as well. So I left this on for about half an hour. I used heat. It worked so much better on my hair, leaving it on for longer than 10 minutes and adding heat as well. When it comes to the application, now the application of products is very important to me, and it's very important to the viewers as well. Something that I didn't like about this product is the texture. The texture of this product is very gummy. It's literally like bubble gum. So when you're trying to get it out, it's very tacky, it's very, very sticky when you're trying to get it out of the container. However, when you put it on your hair, it's not like that at all. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, it's not like bubblegum in your hair. It does glide on your hair very, very nicely. Now, what I liked about this is I was in a bit of a rush. It was a bit of a rush wash day type of situation. So I did quickly grab this. I was like, okay, 10 minutes to deep condition. I have that time. So I put it on. It glided very, very quickly. I focused on my ends as well. It coated very, very nicely. Put the shower cap on. It was really, really nice in terms of that application with it literally touching your hair. But scooping it out, I don't know if it's going to show any justice, but I'm going to show you guys. So this is what the product looks like. The color is like a light or cream color. So can you guys see this? It's like bubble gum. Whoopsie, oh gosh, sorry guys. I just missed. Guys, so filming does get very messy at times, but this does have a very bubblegum consistency. If you guys can see that here. It smells amazing. When you put it on your hair, it goes on very, very nicely. But trying, even like now, if you do, we all want to like add some product back in, or you took too much out of it. So cleaning it up sometimes, if it does fall out of the tub or it does drip out, it can be a little bit challenging, not very difficult, but just the cleanup as well because of the consistency of the product. That's it, guys. My thoughts on this local brand. This is their Heal My Hair Banana and Avocado Mask. I enjoyed using it. It was fun, and it did leave my hair nice and soft. When it comes to a mask, I will put more details in the description box, so make sure you do read the description box. As always, thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you again. Bye.